If you're trying to decide between Fieldwire versus Tradify for managing small construction jobs, you're probably wondering which one is better for streamlining tasks, managing teams, and keeping everything on track. In this video, we'll break down each of these tools, highlight their strengths and weaknesses, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one suits your needs, or if there's an even better alternative out there. So, stick around until the end, because what I'm about to share could save you a lot of time and frustration. First off, let's talk about Fieldwire. It's often seen as the go-to tool for field management on construction sites. It's packed with features like task tracking, blueprints, and daily reports. It's a great tool for keeping everyone on the same page with real-time updates. However, the downside? The interface can feel a bit clunky at times, and it has a steep learning curve. If you're managing small construction jobs, you may find that Fieldwire's vast array of features is a bit overkill, especially if you don't need all that complexity. Next thing, we've got Tradify. Unlike Fieldwire, Tradify is more streamlined for smaller teams and projects. It offers easy job management, invoicing, and quote creation, all from one simple interface. It's designed with small businesses in mind, so it's relatively user-friendly. That said, it's not as feature-packed as Fieldwire. You won't get the same level of field management or detailed project tracking that Fieldwire offers. While it's great for day-to-day operations, it might lack some of the depth you need if your projects grow or become more complicated. Next thing to consider is integration. Fieldwire integrates with various software tools like Procore and Dropbox, which can be a huge benefit if you're already using them. But on the flip side, its integration with other platforms can be a bit inconsistent, especially if you're dealing with smaller scale, less complex construction jobs. Tradify, however, has smoother integrations with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, which could be a game changer for small businesses that need seamless invoicing and financial tracking. Moving on to pricing, this is where things start to get tricky. Fieldwire can be more expensive, especially when you start adding users or accessing premium features. For smaller jobs, you might end up paying for a lot of features you'll never use. Tradify's pricing is more straightforward and affordable for small businesses. But again, the price reflects its limited feature set, so if you want a tool with more advanced functionalities, you'll have to look at the higher tier plans. And here's the thing, while both Fieldwire versus Tradify have their merits, neither of them is perfect for everyone, especially if you're only managing small construction jobs. Sure, they're solid options for teams in the field, but the complexities or lack of depth in certain areas could hold you back from optimizing efficiency. Now, if you're looking for a solution that's simple, effective, and actually tailored for small construction jobs without the hefty learning curve, there's a much better alternative out there. After trying both Fieldwire and Tradify myself, I can tell you that the right software can make a huge difference in how smoothly your operations run. If you want to take your construction management to the next level, make sure to check out the link in the description for an exclusive free trial of a tool I highly recommend. This software is built for managing small construction jobs efficiently, and it comes with some great benefits only available through our link. It's worth trying out, and I guarantee it's an upgrade compared to Fieldwire or Tradify for what you're looking to accomplish. Don't miss out and start your free trial today. You won't regret it.